Hey guys, my name's Ben, and let's go back to this is episode 4, by the way, if you hadn't noticed. So let's add another key code. If e dot get key code is equal to key event dot vk underscore m. So we're adding a mouse listener. So if m is basically pressed, then we want to make it so we can use the mouse. So if e dot key code is equal to m, then what we want to do is we're going to probably want to make another boolean. So public boolean mouse active is equal to false, because by default we don't want the mouse to be active or available to use. So if it's m, then mouse active is equal to true. And down here, if e dot get key code equals key event dot vk underscore m, then mouse active is equal to false, just like that. But I'm thinking we don't actually need this. Just if we press any of these, mouse active, yeah, okay. Mouse active is equal to false. So if it's active and then we, damn it, I put that wrong place. If it's active and then we press one of the buttons, it's going to be equal to false again, if that makes sense. So say we press M, it's active, so we can do whatever we want with the mouse, which is what we're going to do in a minute. And then we press A, it's going to become deactivated. So what we're going to want to do most likely is underneath here we're going to do f.add mouse motion listener. Damn it, I hate typing it out. Add mouse motion listener. So that's when the mouse moves, not when the mouse clicks. So that's going to be a new mouse motion adapter, which is what I said before, I think, where you can't make it like a mouse listener because else, you've got to put in loads of methods. Mouse motion adapter. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to want to do public void, and this is to make it so it knows when the mouse is moved. We do mouse moved, and we do mouse event e, just like before. So up here we're going to make a point, so public point, and we're going to close mouse. So this is where the mouse is going to be. We're going to get the position of the mouse, and the point is like a little dot on your screen which you can't even see. You're not supposed to be able to see it. It's like basically a coordinate. So mouse is equal to new point. So because we've got this e thing, we can use that to define where it is. So we do e, because the first one is always the x-axis. So we do e dot get x, so again the x-axis of the mouse. Then we do e dot get y, and then I just minus 25 off it because it looks more even in the middle, because else it looks a bit off. So if mouse is active, so basically if the mouse active is true, if we've pressed M, basically, then character dot, I can't spell, character dot x is equal to the mouse dot x, and character dot y is equal to mouse dot y, just like that. And then under here we want to repaint because it's going to be moving all the time, so it's going to want to repaint that. So if we run this, we can move it along and stuff, and then when we press M, it's going to follow your mouse. And then when we go up here and we press it, it's gone off, and it's not going to follow our mouse anymore. So, just like that. Good. So that's all for this tutorial. Oh, watching vintage beef. Anyway, so I was going to show you something. This default serial ID version, you can add that in. It's probably best for you to just add that in. I don't particularly like doing it, but I suppose it's something I should do. Well, we've still got a warning in it. I don't know. Let's just add these all in so we don't get people angry for some reason. Yeah. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Next tutorial we're going to be doing about when you click the mouse. Which is basically easy enough. So thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.